welcome back to another video of Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Zoom app on a mobile phone. Keep watching the video till the end to figure it out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from us. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store app, and once the main tab is open, click on the search bar at the top of the screen and then write in Zoom. Once you are done, click on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you can see, the Zoom app is available to be downloaded. Click on the install button and now all you have to do is wait. The downloading process has now started, and once the percentage hits 100, the app will be successfully downloaded on your mobile phone. Once the open button turns green, tap on it and it will directly take you to the app. As you can see, the app is now successfully downloaded on a mobile phone and is now ready to be used. That's how it's done. I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment for any kind of questions and feedbacks. We will soon be back with more videos. Stay connected and goodbye till then.